Let's get straight into it. 2000 Ford F350 Super Duty. She got the 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in driver quality condition. She was a work truck. Let's check her out. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. She has some minor paint chipping here on the driver's side. She's in overall good shape. Interior shows minor wear. She's in overall good shape. Headliner. Mileage reads a little over 193,000. Upper dash. Lower. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Gotta love the sound of a diesel. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.